Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the briefing for Sunday, the 5th of November. So I've put the overnight chart on here, and you can see Storm Kieran still being showed as low pressure system just up to our northeast. A couple of trough lines, occlusions last night, which did bring some showers for firework night. But as we go ahead, midday today, it's showing a fairly clear outlook. Looks like the storm's up to our northeast, and that's bringing with it quite strong westerly winds, and that's going to be pretty much the trend for this week. More settled weather than we've had, but quite strong westerly winds. They've painted on a trough line here for midday, so we expect to see some showers around, but I'm hoping they should pretty much stay away from us. All right, winds at flying height today, pretty much from the west towards the centre of the country, a little bit lighter, but towards the south coast, 35 knots. So we're looking at certainly 20 knots plus at flying height, likely to be 25 to 30 knots. And current SatPic shows a pretty clear outlook over our part of the country. Drove up from home this morning near Kenley. Pretty cloudy for about half the journey, but then went blue sky about halfway here. So it looks like that's what we've got for most of the day, which should be quite nice. Rain radar is showing some around, but nothing near us at the moment. And the rainfall forecast is showing some development as we go through the morning. You see these showers out to the west. They are showing to be clear of us. As we go into the afternoon, getting a little bit closer. Hopefully shouldn't cause us too much of a problem. So small chance of a shower today, I would say. But if we're lucky, we should stay dry. A public forecast is showing sunny intervals with a top temperature of about 11 degrees, and they're picking up a shower at 4 p.m. Otherwise, quite a strong breeze from the west, pretty much strong all day. That's currently outside. Pretty clear, some cloud in the distance, but not much to speak of. Currently just under 8 degrees at Lasham, with dew point set at 5. Probably will feel quite chilly on the airfield with that wind. And not a lot on farmers' forecast, the main feature being that 15 knots of wind from the west with gusts up to 25 knots. They've also put here scattered clouds at 2,000, but shouldn't be a problem. Okay, top meteo. This is 1 p.m. This is the first time it's really showing any features, and you see it is showing some showers and potentially some Q-nims, which I find doubtful in the Lasham area. So basically the chance of showers are about 2 by the looks of it. No times to affect. There's some firework displays around. The one I went to last night, they got the time completely wrong. Okay, operationally, I need to go and see exactly how wet the grass is, but the plan is at the moment, we're probably going to set up with the launch point slightly further down on the main runway. Winching from the south side as normal with the cables running down the edge of the runway. With the retrieve truck driving on the runway itself, so when you position your gliders, leave a little gap for the retrieve truck to drive past. And the plan will be left-hand circuits onto runway 27 hard. Right-hand circuits will be onto the north side grass, so still maintaining that line just on the north edge of the runway. So right circuits to the north side grass, left-hand circuits either to the south side grass or to runway 27 hard. We'll see exactly how wet the grass is, and if it seems like it's not too much of a problem, we'll put the launch point back to the normal position and then just land on the grass, so we'll get slightly higher launches. Operationally, we've got a 737 departure at 12:30. Should be going to Stansted. If it does have any problems, it will come back, but the plan is for it to be departing at 12:30. Sunset's just after 4:30 local today, so last landings by 5 p.m. All right, should be a nice day. I think most things are coming out the hang. See you on the airfield. Bye for now.